How to disconnect Spotify from Alexa. To get started, first of all, open up Alexa on your phone. So once you're here on this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the menu as shown. Then, tap on Skills and Games under the More section. Go to the search bar and type in Spotify. Tap on Spotify and you will be brought to this page. Here, tap on Settings. You can see over here that your Spotify account and Alexa are linked. Now go back again and tap on Disable Skill. The skill will unlink your account. Tap on Disable again at the bottom to confirm. If you disable Spotify, the feature related to the skill will no longer work. You have now successfully unlinked Spotify and Alexa. Following these steps, you can easily disconnect Spotify from Alexa.